Welcome to the How to Change Site Logo tutorial. Today, you'll learn how to change your website's logo. The topics covered in this tutorial are 1. Introduction to Site Logo Widget, and 2. How to change your site logo. Topic 1. Introduction to Site Logo Widget. The logo that appears on your website uses a Site Logo Elementor widget. This widget has been dragged and dropped from the Elementor editor onto your website's pages. The site logo that appears can be changed on the global Elementor editor site settings. It is recommended to use a .svg format to ensure your logo is high quality across different screen resolutions with the image dimensions 350 x 100 pixels. Topic 2. How to change your site logo. To change your site logo, enter any page on your website and click Edit with Elementor on the top menu bar. In the left side Elementor Editor panel, click on Site Settings and navigate to Site Identity. Here, you can edit the site name, site description, and site logo. Hover over Site Logo and click Choose Image. Add your logo file to the gallery and click Insert Media. Your site logo will now change upon refreshing the page. Make sure to click Update to save these changes. It is recommended here to change your site's favicon if you have one. A favicon is a small icon that appears in the URL bar on various devices or the browser tab bar. The suggested favicon size is 512 by 512 pixels. Follow the steps as you did for the site logo to change your site favicon. You have now learned how to change your site logo.